Allie, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking all about lemons. The ingredients you will need are 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk, a half a cup of butter, sugar, 3 lemons for the juice and the lemon zest. The materials you will need are a cutting board, a zester, a juicer, a whisk, a knife, 2 measuring cups, an egg separator, another measuring cup, a bowl with cheesecloth, a microwavable bowl, and a mason jar. Of course, let's start off by washing our hands. Start by taking your butter and melting it in a microwave. Now zest your lemons. Now let's juice our lemons. First, take a knife and cut them in half. Then juice your lemons with your juicer. You will need 1 cup of lemon juice. Then put a cup and a half of sugar into your microwavable bowl. Then crack 3 eggs with it. To separate your yolk from your egg, use an egg separator. If you don't have one, ask an adult to help you. Add your egg yolk with the others, and then whisk. Next, add your lemon juice. Make sure to get all the seeds out. Next, add your zest. Then whisk together. Then add your butter. Make sure it's all combined. Then put it in a microwave at 50% for 1 minute and stir. Keep microwaving at 100% for 1 minute intervals. It should be able to cover the back of a spoon. This is what it should look like. It will thicken as it cools. Then pour it onto your cheese. Let it cool and then it's ready. If you want to store it, then store it in a mason jar for up to 3 weeks. Now it's time for our experiment, fizzing lemonade. The ingredients you will need are lemons, water, baking soda, sugar. The materials you will need are a small knife, a cutting board, a juicer, a spoon, a teaspoon, a measuring cup, and a straw if you would like. To start, I've brought my little brother to help me. Hi. First, cut and juice your lemons. Next, add your lemon juice to your glass. Now it's time for the science experiment. Slowly add your baking soda. Here you go, Corby. For this science experiment, a base mixes with an acid to make a chemical reaction. You can do this multiple times, but don't add more than a teaspoon. Next, add your sugar to your water. And stir it with a spoon. Add your sugar water to your lemon juice and enjoy. Start fizzing again, but that's okay. Make sure to stir it up. It's sour, but yummy.
Yeah, mine's not even sour.
When the lemon juice, acid, and the baking soda base mix, they form a chemical reaction known as an acid-base reaction. This is the same sort of reaction that you get when you mix baking soda and vinegar, such as in the classic erupting volcano experiment. The reaction produces a gas called carbon dioxide, which creates bubbles when formed in a liquid in this fizzy lemonade experiment. This process is called carbonation. next week where we discover zucchinis.